remember those moments.
And now, kumusta ang relasyon niyo?
Sobrang para kami, we memorize the steps to go back to our bond. Parang wala lumipas na araw.
That's friendship. That's friendship.
Hi, John, Franz, Idol. Sayo naman tayo dyan. John, you like it. Si John nanonood.
You don't lose that memory of how to go back.
Yes, like yung sabi sa akin, nagugulitan niya sa akin. Nangungulit lang din siya sa akin ngayon.